should take a picture of it from this way.
I'm not taking a picture, I'm just doing a little video. Can't believe where we have ended up. Here was I thinking we were going to be on a deserted desert island, and we're at a bird watching sanctuary. And look at all the bird watchers, there's a bunch of them over there. Here's one right in front of me. Ah! Vultures. And then over here, what do we have over here? We have a bunch of cows. This is just fascinating, I've got to tell you. Kind of cool scenery, a little bit like Florida. These guys are cute. These are baby calves. Thought we'd go for a walk into town if we could find a town. This is all very interesting. Hi guys! Hey guys!
Oh my gosh!
Oh, they seem a little skittish.
Come
A little
here.
skittish.